Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience. Today, we're taking a look at Sonder.com, a unique approach to travel accommodations. Instead of the traditional hotel experience, Sonder offers a blend of hotel-like amenities and the comfort and space of a private apartment or home. Imagine having the convenience of a 24/7 concierge service, combined with the freedom of a fully equipped kitchen and separate living areas. That's the essence of what Sonder aims to provide. Their website, Sonder.com, serves as your portal to discovering these distinctive accommodations. You'll find properties located in vibrant cities across the globe, from trendy neighborhoods in San Francisco to the heart of London. Each listing offers detailed photos and descriptions, highlighting the unique characteristics and amenities of each space. Whether you're searching for a studio apartment for a solo trip or a spacious multi-bedroom home for a family vacation, Sonder likely has an option to suit your needs. Navigating the website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily search for destinations based on your travel dates and desired location. You can filter your search based on specific requirements, such as pet friendliness, parking availability, or the inclusion of a washer and dryer. This allows for a truly customized search experience, ensuring you find the perfect space to match your travel preferences. Sonder's focus appears to be on providing a more personalized and immersive travel experience, going beyond the standard hotel room. They want guests to feel more connected to the city they are visiting, offering the chance to experience it more like a local. Booking through Sonder.com is straightforward and secure. Their platform provides a streamlined booking process, allowing you to reserve your chosen accommodation with ease. Furthermore, Sonder offers customer support to assist with any questions or concerns that may arise before, during, or after your stay. This commitment to customer service is essential in building trust and ensuring a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. So, if you're looking for a fresh perspective on travel accommodations, I encourage you to check out Sonder.com and explore the possibilities. They might just redefine your idea of a perfect getaway.